Hi, Miss May.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm May Untalan Malyan.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
What your marital status?
I'm married.
Do you have a kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
Who will take up your kids when you work abroad?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience as a domestic helper in Dubai and Kuwait.
What are your main duties as a helper?
My main duties as a domestic helper are cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, taking care of babies, child and children.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Yes, I'm willing to eat Chinese.
What would you do if you feel homesick?
I just pray, think positive, and I call to my family.
If your day off is not a Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No, sir.
Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reason during your working hours?
Yes, sir.
What would you do if the employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
I will apologize to my employer. I will not do it again.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
until my employers need me.
Say a few words to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm May Untaran Malyan. Please choose me as a domestic helper. I have an experience in Dubai and Kuwait. My main duties are cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, taking care of babies and child. Please hire me as a domestic helper and I promise I do my responsibilities and I follow your regulation. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and patient to the children. Thank you.